What is the discovery process in a debt lawsuit? If you're facing a debt lawsuit and are wondering what the discovery process is all about, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. The discovery process is a critical part of any debt lawsuit. It's the phase where both sides exchange information and evidence related to the case. This helps each party understand the other's position and prepare for the trial. First, let's talk about written requests. During discovery, parties will send each other formal requests for information. For example, the creditor might ask you for detailed financial information, such as bank statements, pay stubs, and other documents related to the debt. You'll need to respond to these requests in a timely manner, usually within a specified period, which can vary by state but is often around 30 days. Another method of discovery is depositions. This is where one party questions another person directly, usually in person. Depositions allow for immediate follow-up questions and can provide more detailed information than written requests. For instance, the creditor might depose you to ask about your financial situation and how you plan to pay the debt. Subpoenas are also used during discovery. If there are third parties that hold relevant information, such as your bank or employer, the creditor can issue a subpoena to get that information. This could include documents or even testimony from these third parties. Disputes often arise during discovery. If one party feels the other's responses are incomplete or insufficient, they can file motions to compel further responses. This means the court will intervene to resolve the dispute and ensure that all necessary information is exchanged. It's important to note that there are specific rules governing discovery. These rules vary by state, but generally, they outline what can and cannot be requested. For example, in Michigan, you would need to follow the rules outlined in Subchapter 2.300 of the Michigan Rules of Court. During this process, you may also receive requests for admissions and requests for production. Requests for admissions are questions that you must answer truthfully, admitting or denying certain facts. Requests for production involve providing specific documents, such as bank statements or contracts related to the debt. If a creditor wins the lawsuit and obtains a judgment, they can also use post-judgment discovery to find out about your assets. This involves sending interrogatories and requests for production to gather information about your bank accounts, properties, and other financial assets. You'll typically have 30 days to respond to these requests. In summary, the discovery process in a debt lawsuit is about exchanging evidence and information to prepare for trial. It involves written requests, depositions, subpoenas, and sometimes disputes that need court intervention. Understanding these steps can help you navigate the process more effectively and prepare a strong defense.